It's Photoshoot day! Today you get to see how a crazy idea and hundreds of these came together in a trash fashion wedding dress ensemble. Hi there, welcome to the Upcycle Design Lab. If this is your first time here, my name's Cindy and I craft using recycled and repurposed materials to give you ideas on ways to make and create more economically and ecologically. If you've been following this series, then this is the day you've been waiting for. I've spent the last year crafting and creating with a lot of aluminum beer and soda drink cans, and I've learned a lot of different ways to manipulate them. This trash fashion dress incorporates all of the techniques I've learned, from flattened aluminum sheets to domed can bottoms, tabs, and ring rims. I've texturized and embossed, I've fashioned sequins and decorative shapes, assembled beads, jewelry, and even floral designs, all from these tiny aluminum treasures. And today, this months-long project is finally coming together. It started with a ridiculous obsession with aluminum drink cans and a bunch of really bad sketches. But before there could be any can creativity, I needed a whole lot of snack bags to assemble the fitted part of the dress. Once the dress was sewn together, I added grommets to the back and some rings from the cans for the back straps. My Cricut cutting machine was perfect for cutting the intricate shapes from the aluminum cans for the finishing touches on the front of the dress. To make the overskirt, I used 154 flattened aluminum sheets taped together into pie-shaped pieces. I used a rubber mallet and a paving stone to add some texture and embossed a floral design on the front. Then I glued some pull tabs to the bottom hem for a finishing touch. Next up was the train and what seemed like miles of crochet thread, tons of tape, and an endless number of can bottoms. The actual number of cans was only 924, and the train weighs about 6 pounds all by itself. To make the bouquet, I went back to my Cricut cutting machine and 61 sheets of flattened aluminum cans to form the roses, rosebuds, calla lilies, and greenery that compose the bridal bouquet. The jewelry for this bridal set has a pair of earrings, a pendant necklace, a memory wire bracelet, and even an engagement ring. All made by adding various techniques including bead rolling, decorative cut shapes, and embossing to the aluminum beer and soda cans. Of course, no wedding dress is complete without a veil, so last up is this headpiece made with hundreds of rolled aluminum can beads and more decorative cut shapes with embossing. And that finishes the trash fashion wedding dress ensemble. The next stop for this dress is the Trash Fashion Show in Santa Fe, New Mexico in November, so stay tuned for updates from the show. I want to say a special thank you to Kathleen, Becky, and Christina for all the help in getting this video together. If you'd like to learn more about the trash fashion wedding dress or learn about some of the things you can make from aluminum drink cans, click one of the playlists below. If you haven't already, I'd love to have you join my YouTube community by clicking the subscribe button. Check the description box for a link to sign up to receive the Upcycled Design Lab newsletter. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you back here soon in the lab for my next experiment. Prepare yourself, it just keeps getting more ridiculous.